Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Ask Allah for health. In a town in Iraq, there lived a man who was very sick. Night and day, he was always in pain. After seeing one doctor after the other, and trying one medicine after another, he was not feeling any better. Nothing cured him. Just as he was feeling hopeless, one of his friends said, "Why don't you go to Imam Hadi and ask him to pray for you? Don't you know that the Imam's prayers are accepted?" He decided to take his friend's advice, and a few days later, he was on his way to visit the Imam. The moment the man saw the Imam, he stopped in his tracks. He did not have the courage to ask the Imam for his prayers. Before he could say anything, the Imam broke the silence. "May Allah grant you health. May Allah grant you health. May Allah grant you health." The man was shocked and speechless. How did he know? He thought to himself. One man was standing nearby and saw the whole thing. "Subhanallah," he exclaimed happily. "You'll feel better very soon. Our Imam prayed for your health, and before you could even ask him." For a moment, the sick man felt like he was dreaming. He walked back home feeling so thankful to Allah. The next morning, he jumped out of bed with bursting energy. He had never felt better. Imam Hassan has said,
"Indeed, the Quran heals hearts."
وَإِذَا مَرِضْتُ فَهُوَ يَشْفِينِ.
And when I am sick, then he restores me to health.